FixAlex here, and today I'm gonna show you how to replace door handle on this Chrysler Pacifica. This is the tools: Torx 20 and flathead screwdriver. Remove that cap on the side of your door, guys. Be super gentle, not to scratch the door. Just like that. Okay, there is Torx 20 screw. Unscrew it like that. Now, very important stuff, guys. If your handle still in place, gently open it and push that screw in, and then release your handle. As you can see, it's gonna stay in service position. Now remove your lock. In this case, now you can remove your door handle. Just move it to the back of the car, just like that. Gentle move it, wiggle it out, and then remove connector. If you have door access button on your handle, now wiggle it everything back like it was before. This white hook, you must stick your handle in. Do not push it in hard. As you can see, I broke mine already. And then wiggle it down like that, so it's holding it. As you can see, you see it's holding it. Now stick your lock inside the handle and screw that screw back, and that's it. As you can see, it's working now. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment what else should I report next about this car. Thank you and bye.